Having trouble with group texts on H2O Wireless? You're not alone. Since H2O operates on networks like Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile, group texting can be tricky. Here's the deal. MMS failures, RCS incompatibilities, and iMessage glitches are common. These issues often arise from H2O's reliance on the underlying networks and their features. The good news is, there are fixes. The first step is understanding the cause of the problems. For example, RCS is great for advanced group chats, but it might not work seamlessly across all networks H2O uses. Similarly, iPhones and iMessage sometimes clash with Android group texts. Let's dive into some key concepts to get you started. We'll address common issues like not delivered errors and show you how to check whether RCS is enabled in your messaging app. Ready to fix those group text headaches? Start by checking your APN settings. These settings tell your phone how to connect to the mobile network. For Verizon-based H2O, the APN should be VZ Winternet. If you switch networks, like when roaming, you might need to update this manually. To do this, navigate to Settings, Mobile Network Access Point Names. Next, make sure Send as SMS is enabled in your iPhone's iMessage settings. Go to Settings, Messages. For Android users, use Google Messages and ensure RCS is activated. Toggle airplane mode or reset network settings to refresh your connection. If problems persist, dial CEF 466 on Android to force an APN refresh. Remember, some issues might occur due to network congestion, especially during peak hours. Also consider AI-driven network diagnostics apps, which are predicting and auto-fixing APN issues. Try switching to Google Messages or Samsung Messages as well.